Okay, everyone, now it's time to learn the song that we're going to have for this unit so you can remember how to use our main idea. So the lyrics go, when you want to figure out what a text is about, we use main idea to figure it out. And then we do it back and forth. Supporting details. Supporting details. Perfect. All right. So let's do it all together. When you want to figure out what a text is about, use main idea to figure it out. Supporting details. Supporting details. Awesome. Let's do it again. When you want to figure out what a text is about, use main idea
to figure it out.
Supporting
details.
Supporting details. Let's do it one more time. When you want to figure out what a text is about,
use main idea to figure it out.
Supporting
details.
Supporting
details.
All right.
Good morning.
Okay, great. So today we're going to go over reading informational text, so anything like an article or a chapter from a nonfiction book. And we're going to see how we can use ideas like main idea and supporting detail to break down what we're reading and understand it better and really summarize the text and get to the point of what we're talking about. So before we get into our text, what does anybody know about dolphins? What can you guys tell me about dolphins? You know anything about dolphins? Yeah, go ahead.
Dolphins are very social animals, and they communicate using clicks and echolocation.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's all very relevant. So what we're going to be reading today, we're talking about dolphins being social. They like each other. They like humans. They have very similar groups, social groups, that type of thing. So let's get right into it. Let's look at our article. So what's the first thing that jumps out at you about this article that you notice? Just anything you can call out.
The title.
So can you read the title for us, Amanda?
Sure. Clicky Adriatic dolphins may have strategies for avoiding each other.
Awesome, great. So what does that title tell us about what this text could be about? What do you think the text is about just from reading the title?
But they're social animals, and they have people that, or other dolphins they like to be around, prefer to be around.
Awesome, great. So that's really getting at our main idea. So to get that main idea, really, which is just the central idea, what the paragraph or what the article is about, something that we can summarize in just a quick sentence. Let's look at the first paragraph, which is very often where our main idea is when we're looking at articles. So does anyone want to read the first paragraph? Go ahead.
Dolphins are highly social creatures known for forming complex and long-lasting relationships with one another, and sometimes with other species. But dolphins can be quite choosy when it comes to picking their buddies. As the New Scientist reports, a study of bottlenose dolphins in the northern Adriatic has found that the animals not only form distinct friend groups, but also shun members of rival cliques.
Awesome. So just like Lily had said before, we noted that dolphins are very social animals. So what do you think the main idea, what do you think the biggest thing that you could pull from this text, from the paragraph, what's the most important thing it's trying to tell you about dolphins?
I think it's telling you that they're social animals, and they also have the ability to shun, to leave out other dolphins. And, did you read this yet?
Not yet.
I read this earlier, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, let's go ahead and read the second paragraph. That's a good idea, to get some more supporting details, get some more evidence for our main idea. That's a great idea. So does anyone want to go ahead and read that?
She was very
Yeah, Amanda, go ahead.
It is often said that dolphins are fission-fusion species, meaning that they merge and split in a malleable social structure. But according to the authors of the study, published recently in the journal Marine Biology, dolphin societies can vary greatly from population to population. Dolphins in Florida, for instance, seem to segregate based on sex and age. Among the dolphins of Doubtful Sound, New Zealand, strong bonds form between the sexes. And based on 9 years of observations, the researchers behind the new study conclude that dolphins that frolic in the Adriatic Gulf of Trieste near the coast of Slovenia have quite stable social structures.
Awesome. So what do we get a lot of in there, right? What sort of words you use to describe what's presenting you with? Go ahead.
Oh, okay, I get it. So, we're saying here that the main idea has to do with dolphins are social, and they also shun animals. And then I can support that by saying that dolphin societies vary greatly, and they segregate based on sex and age. That was from a study that was done from the Journal of Marine Biology. And what else? Let's see. Another supporting detail that I can get from the New Zealand Sound is strong bonds between the sexes are seen in dolphins. Okay, so that kind of supports the idea that we were saying that dolphins.
Right. So you can see that there's a main idea.